to your company, but also to your community and to the society. So kudos to all of you, to all awardees. May God bless you more, and please continue to excel for the night. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you very much. The beautiful, the one and only. What are you doing? Why are you so young? Nag-stem cell ka ba? Kasi order ka yun. May palakpakan nila. Oh, yan ang headphone ko lang. Hindi ko makakapasok ng mukha pag wala ko. Si Ma'am Cheryl Recordo. Palakpakan ako na ito.
Failure is only to live because failure is not a person. Failure is it's okay for us to fail. The important thing is for us to be able to rise up. Now, we talk about, thank you Melvin for the award of being a visionary leader. Then we talk about vision. What is vision? It is an outcome. And I remember this story about Mr. Disney, si Walt Disney. He has a vision of what? Of creating the happiest place, which is Disneyland. But Mr. Disney died before the opening of Disneyland. But when the Disneyland was opened, reporters were also into the place, yung mouse, Mickey Mouse, gumawa and everything. And they don't miss Disney and told her son, your husband was not able to see everything. And the business said, that's where you're wrong. Because before anything of this happened, my husband already saw it in his vision. So hopefully, in our business, we will continue to have that vision for our organization and even for ourselves. And I would like to end with a story about isang apo sa kanyang lolo. No? May isang bata, he was able to call a bird. At sabi niya, ako, may mag-usawa yung lolo. Lumapit siya sa lolo niya and asked his lolo, Lolo, itong ibon sa likod bata, pag sinabi ng lolo, buhay, hindi sa niya para mamatay. Pag sinabi ni lolo patay, pababayaan lang niya, wala siyang talo sa kanyang pustahan. No? You know what did the lolo protest ako? Alam mo ako, ang buhay ng ibon ay nasa iyong kamay. You can give it either life or either death. Just like in our mission. So God bless everyone.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Mr. Steve Singh. Please remain on stage. We'll be giving you your award, sir. So it says here, Dream Cosmetics, Skin Cosmetics Manufacturing Corporation.
More than 10 years.
That's all.
Constant Dream Skin Cosmetics is a legitimate manufacturer of multi-products using advanced facilities. We formulate best possible products for your business using important raw materials and we offer a unique, trendy, and selling product concept with no minimum order required, so you can start your business using small capital. We turn beauty into business. Beauty soaps, skincare sets, facial serums, body lotions, fragrances, health and wellness, and other beauty and personal care.
Ano po yan eh, may nilagay ako dyan eh. So ganito talaga, medyo may pagka-wavy yung buho ko, kaya mukha akong madumiting. Okay lang po siya. Kala mo ko na magpagupit.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, it's now the Kaiser Dream Skin Cosmetics Manufacturing Corporation. You are the recipient of the Global Excellence for Comprehensive Manufacturing Practices. Professor Clarissa Formos is in the house. I missed you. Welcome. Just for everyone to know, she's the ex-National Security Advisor. She's the current Chief Policy Advisor to Speaker Martin Romualdez, Professor Felipe Carlos.
Mega love shoutout po sa lahat.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, let's now move on. Our next award is for the Global Supremacy for Quality Diamonds Award, and the award goes to A&A Brilliant Diamonds. Once again, A&A Brilliant Diamonds is the recipient of the Global Supremacy for Quality Diamonds. Moving on, our next award is for the Innovative Aesthetic Clinic of the Year. And the award goes to Oriana Aesthetics and Wellness Clinic. Once again, Oriana Aesthetics and Wellness Clinic is the Innovative Aesthetic Clinic of the Year award.
Kahit ka lang dito. Kahit ka na.
Next award